All right, what is going on, hustlers? Welcome back into Hustlepedia. Today we are going to be diving into the crypto gaming markets as always, and we got about 13 or so projects that I want to dig into. Some projects we've recently talked about that are up that I'm still super bullish on, of course, but that have recently really done well. We'll review a couple projects, and then we're going to dive into some projects that as of today I do still think have a lot of value as far as where the price is and as far as where the market cap is to be able to enter for maximum gains. I do think Altseason is right around the corner, so now is the time to definitely be preparing your bags, and you should have been preparing your bags all this time during this dip, because today a lot of these crypto gaming projects are in the green. We'll talk about that, and we'll talk about some projects we're super bullish on going forward as far as crypto gaming, and some projects that as of today still have some value entry points for the upcoming run. If you are new to the channel, guys, be sure to drop down and hit that subscribe button. We come out with brand new crypto gaming and altcoin videos here every single day on the channel. And be sure to like the video if you enjoyed the video and if you are bullish on crypto gaming just like I am. Guys, I told you the other day that Gala was at a value entry point, and we'll just start off with a couple projects that we recently covered. First of all, I brought you this project at 2 cents back in September. So if you got in, then absolute 10x, congratulations on your 10x. But even if you got in just the other day before we mentioned it here, around 10 cents, around 8 cents, right in this area, that 9-cent range, just before this thing went absolutely parabolic, then you did really well here, as this thing did just over 2x in just a matter of time with a Coinbase listing. So very good gains there on Gala. We just talked about Citizen Finance a couple videos ago, and this thing's going crazy. It is up 30% just the last 24 hours, and this is aiming to be the Counter-Strike of the Metaverse, the Counter-Strike of FPS crypto games. The way that the interface looks, the way that your character holds your first-person perspective, their character stills do look actually super solid. If you do take a look at their Twitter, they have been posting some updates, and today they did just post a character update looking all nice and polished in their customized character outfits and weapon skins, and these do look super clean, I cannot lie. So Metalands and Citizen Finance, they are building the crypto version of CSGO, and I am very bullish on Citizen Finance and Metalands moving forward. GameSwap's doing really well, up 25% today. We're nearing a level. We're now in price discovery range. We're at all-time highs now with GameSwap. I've been telling you over and over again that GameSwap was at a value buy for this last week period here. This thing was just back in that complete value range. We're sitting at a $52 million market cap range. Now, just a few days ago, this was at a $38 million market cap. GameSwap has landed a AAA FPS game to come launch on their gaming decks and launch their assets on their gaming decks. I'm super bullish on GameSwap, and this thing, we're literally nearing discovery right now. We are nearing the point where this thing's about to start surging into levels it's never been into, and we really could, if we get into $5, this thing could really start running. So good to see that for GameSwap. Vulcan Forge, we've also talked about multiple times, and Vulcan Forge is now up to $27. It went from $14, as you see here, the monthly chart. This thing really was kind of in the dumps almost, as far as price goes, where it is today. And then it kind of was right here, and it got up to $20, and then it consolidates for a few weeks. See Vulcan Forge really run up today to $26 and counting, really. It is still kind of going up right now, kind of trending up and trying to fight upwards, as it is at new all-time highs as well. But no coincidence to see that as Vulcan Forged is running, you're seeing the other lower cap gaming decks also performing. So good to see both of the gaming dexes that we have mentioned over and over on this channel doing numbers today. So good for the gaming dexes. DeRace back above $5. Absolutely bullish on DeRace. The horse racing metaverse is going to be massive. Amount of money that's going to be flowing into DeRace. I'm super bullish on DeRace and their platform that they are building with the virtual horse racing and the metaverse. So awesome project here, and I do think we see a $10-15 DeRace here in Altseason, as this project still is at $173 million market cap. I do think that's criminally undervalued. I think this is a $500 million plus project to say the least, and I see a lot of good things coming up for DeRace. And I want to give this project an honorable mention. I have not invested in this project. They had some big news today. They have partnered with Facebook, aka Meta, for AI technology, is what the tweet mentioned, going forward. So Oasis Rose is one to keep your eyes out on. Like I said, I don't have $1 in this project, but this is noteworthy because it is big news. They did partner with Meta, so keep your eyes on that. We've seen a good increase the last 24 hours, guys, on SuperFarm. 24 hours ago, or a little over 24 hours ago, we were sitting at about $1.40. Now we're sitting at about $1.77. A lot of things coming up for SuperFarm, and I'm going to leave it there. We've talked about SuperFarm over and over and over again on this channel. I expect $4+ here from SuperFarm pretty soon, I can tell you that. Ultra, and I've gotten great news on Ultra. Ultra is one of my biggest holdings in my entire portfolio as it is, and in my gaming holdings video, you can go see as well. I talk highly on Ultra as one of my biggest holds. And Ultra is the gaming distribution, the Steam of the blockchain, and Ultra really has a capability to 5x here into the $1.5 billion market cap range, and I think a $5+ Ultra is definitely not out of the cards, and this thing really has a lot of room, backed by Ubisoft, Atari, Theta, Elrond. They're also backed by AMD, Advanced Micro Devices for their rendering and CPU capabilities. The one thing, too, I have a lot of people behind closed doors telling me that they are also nearing a deal with a massive company. So leave that to be. Do your own research. Dig through the tea leaves all you want. But there's big announcements coming up around the corner for Ultra, and I can tell you that they will not let down whenever they come out. So look out for that in the future in Ultra. And Ultra's just got a lot of room to run, in my opinion. Now let's get into a couple smart NFT platforms really quick. Phantasma is still at $180 million market cap, $1.76. Layer 1 blockchain built for gaming, smart NFT platforms. These will be, guys, the backbones of these economies and these games that won't be able to build that blockchain technology interwoven in their gameplay to be able to level up items and then be able to also transact the leveled up item on the blockchain. So those are where smart NFTs are going to come into play, where if you level up a sword in the game, it's going to level up and you're going to be able to transact it as an asset that's level upable, and that's where smart NFTs will do their job and be able to make those transactable and storable and level upable on the blockchain. And that is what Phantasma, Efinity, and Altura are all kind of going for, and Efinity more so will have complete games building on Efinity. Efinity is backed by Engine, and it is built on Polkadot, and as of right now, it is kind of running back up. We saw a dump from its pre-sale unlock. We got down to $1.20. It's really surging right now, up 17% today, but Efinity is super bullish in my opinion. This market cap is going to be $1 billion plus before we know it, and in Altseason, when Polkadot starts running up, I expect to see Efinity doing major numbers. Altura has really just been consolidating ever since its last absolute major pump. We got in at 7 cents. It got up to 40 cents, and it's kind of sold off. It's kind of consolidated, but it's held its ground above 25 cents. And I do think once these alts do start heating up, Altura is kind of prepping for its next leg up, in my opinion. It's been in an accumulation level, if you ask me, based on the fact that it hasn't fallen below really that 23, I think 23 cents is the lowest that it got, but if you look at the chart, it's really been holding steady at 25 on that consolidation for the most part, and I do think it's prepping for its next leg up. Altura is definitely the most hype project of the bunch, and I do think it does have a lot of potential to reach a $1 range, and I would not be surprised to see a $750 million market cap or more from Altura in the near future. Netvrk is a metaverse play. I think it's honestly super undervalued. You take a look at a project like Blocktopia that's sitting at like a $500+ million market cap. I think the top metaverse project right now within DeFi, right? Facebook's trying to come in and bring centralization to the metaverse, which in my opinion is just not going to fly and it cannot be the leader. We need to keep it within DeFi. DeFi needs to build within DeFi. And that is just strictly that. The people within DeFi will build the best metaverse, and that is 100%. We do not want centralized companies and centralized organizations coming in and running the metaverse. Netvrk, in my opinion, is building the most diverse and expansive metaverse project where you can buy assets, buy land, buy ad space, generate NFTs, staking, and it's a VR experience. The land capabilities are insane. The amount of people that are coming into their metaverse, I think there's no other list out there that can be like topped. Like the amount of people that are participating in the Netvrk metaverse is absolutely insane. The amount of blockchains that are coming in, the investors, super bullish on Netvrk. And you take a look at it compared to Blocktopia, and we did a 30x on Blocktopia here on the channel, got in under 1 cent, and we sold around, I think it was above 13 cents. It was a clean 30x. It was about half a cent entry. But right now, Blocktopia is at a $955 million market cap. Like, Netvrk's literally building a better project. We are looking at 6x under value right now. I just don't think that's appropriate, and I think that Netvrk is a value buy at this very moment. Good Games Guild is just absolutely going crazy. We're almost up to a $10 million market cap right now, sitting at 726 and actually 749 now after I refresh it. And we saw the consolidation after the IDO, and then we've seen it run right back up. And I don't think this thing's done, guys. This diluted market cap is a little bit what people would say dangerous, but there's no token unlocks until January 11th. So there's no risk of a whale dump. And people are going to go in the comments and they're going to say there's one wallet that holds like 96% of the supply. Good Games Guild has literally publicly stated that that is a full exchange worth. That's Gate.io. That is Gate.io. Every dollar that is on the Gate.io exchange is listed in that one wallet. So that's irrelevant. People are going to say that. Don't listen to that. That is complete FUD. Good Games Guild has everything going for it, along with just a guild and a DAO that is going to be collecting all these in-game assets, and the level of participation it's going to allow for investors and players and scholarships, everything from top to bottom. Good Games Guild is super bullish as a project. Their investors, Illuvium and Animoca Brands, their games, they are literally forming partnerships every single day. So they already have all of these games listed here on their website, but then you can go and just today, we see a partnership with Good Games Guild announcing their latest strategic partnership with Decimated, a multiplayer post-apocalyptic cyberpunk RPG in a persistent open world. Good Game Guild and Decimated. We literally told you about Decimated a few videos back. At the very end of the video, I showed you gameplay for Decimated. Decimated looks absolutely clean, guys. This game is already basically done. It looks like a fast-paced Mass Effect, if you ask me, and I just think this game is definitely something that players would play to actually have fun, let alone earn. Like, if you're talking about earning crypto while playing Decimated, a game that really does just look like a faster-paced Mass Effect, I would definitely play a game like this, for example. And this game they've been working on since 2018. They just partnered with Good Games Guild, meaning they will probably have their in-game assets as a part of the Good Games Guild. Thetan Arena, obviously we've talked about Thetan Arena a few times. Simply put, Battle Royale mobile game compatible on iOS and Android, built by Wolf Fun Games, backed by Animoca Brands. And if you don't know, Hero Strike is a Wolf Fun game project with 5 million plus downloads, and it did win a Google Editor's Choice Award from the Google Play Store. So very bullish on Thetan Arena, and just a widespread gap in the market for a mobile game on crypto. You can't find many mobile games out there right now that you can play on your cell phone, on your iPad, for example, on like an app that's really like good, you know? And a battle royale game, last man standing wins. This game is definitely going to do major things. And this thing right now, we did the math, is 32x undervalued of Axie Infinity. A lot of potential here for Thetan Arena. I'm very bullish on Thetan Arena, and I think they have first mover advantage in the mobile gaming space. NFT Champions, guys, this thing is basically blockchain Pokemon, and they just announced today an update that their NFT marketplace goes live December 15th. As well, their influencer marketing campaigns begin at the end of this month. So basically, I think they said at the start of this next week, you'll start seeing influencer marketing for NFT champions. And no, I'm not influencer marketing for them. Every bit of marketing I have done technically for NFT champions has been not paid and completely my own opinion. I'm heavily invested in NFT champions from 20 cents, and I plan to stay in this project until we see some more exchange listings, until we plan to see some more gameplay developments. And I'm super bullish on NFT champions. It is sitting right now at a $16 million market cap. I'm already 3x on my entry, and I would even advise this is still a value project. This is a still super unknown project, only on 7,000 watch lists. And you take a look, it's consolidated in this level for a long time, and it just legged up to 60, around 60 cents, 59 cents. And I see NFT champions with a lot of potential here. And I think $100 million market cap is realistic for NFT champions. I'd be looking for $3 if we hit an alt season and we hit a crypto gaming bull run. A couple exchange listings, some good marketing for NFT champions. I see $3 as a realistic potential for NFT champions, especially if they nail their gameplay updates, if they nail everything that they're doing. Their animations look clean, their gameplay, their short excerpts that they've posted look awesome. So I'm really bullish on this project, and I'm looking forward to more from NFT champions. Cryowar is kind of finding another leg up today. We kind of saw this major consolidation period from Cryowar, another mobile game, and this one's more of like a fast-paced League of Legends style game. And you see it was kind of down here in the $30s. Now we're seeing it up at $69, 23% up today, and at $38 million market cap, approximately about a $38 to $40 million market cap. This is another game that I think can reach $100 to $200 million market cap realistically. It's on the Solana blockchain. They have a lot going for them. It's quick hit games. Guys, you're going to be able to hop on Cryowar on your phone, and they're 3-minute game sessions to be able to have quick dopamine-driven game sessions that you're going to not only be able to play quickly, you're going to be able to hop in, earn, play quickly, and you're going to be wanting to jump back in and play more. So it's going to keep you wanting to play more. This game looks super clean, as I mentioned, so very bullish on Cryowar in Q4. Citizen Finance, we mentioned it at the beginning, but I am very bullish on this project still going forward. If they nail what they're doing, their alpha comes out in December. It's blockchain Counter-Strike. Citizen Finance, $14 million market cap, up from when we covered it from $65 all the way up to $93. But I wouldn't let that shake you too much. Look at the market cap. Don't buy into the green. Wait for a dip, and you'll find an opportunity to get in your way into Citizen Finance if this project does appeal to you. I am not an investment advisor. Keep that in mind. I am just presenting you every project that I am in on. I am presenting you the project and the markets the way that I am seeing them in crypto gaming, because that is where I spend the most time looking. And two quick projects real quick. AIOZ Token, I'm still super bullish on AIOZ Token. They're having another car release tomorrow on the 20th of November, and AIOZ is just kind of, it's been in this lull, right? It's been kind of between, we've seen it do these multiple different pumps up to about $3, $3.40, and then it kind of sells off, and we're kind of seeing it regain momentum once again. They're coming out with a lot of updates, and when their Trade Race Manager 2 Metaverse releases, in my opinion, I see a lot of potential for AIOZ, and a lot of people we're talking about their cyber trade game. I've mentioned their cyber trade game before, but a lot of people are very wanting a racing metaverse, and that's kind of why I've highlighted that more. They are coming out with a cyber trade game as well. It is like a cyberpunk type of metaverse as well. And then their TRM2 is like a GTA combined with Midnight Club from everything I've seen. So I'm very bullish on the AIOZ token, and at $18 million market cap, you could probably see this thing doing very, very well in a crypto gaming bull run as well, especially once they come out with more developments on TRM2 Rich Racer. And then this is a recent investment of mine. I got in at 65 cents, so you are still right about where I got in. I made this investment today. Like I said, do your own research. I am not an investment advisor, but I did get in on AIOZ Netvrk. Metaverse streaming play, in my opinion. When you take a look at everything that they're doing, did you know GPU AIOZ will feature graphics rendering power to the metaverse, virtual reality, and augmented reality? At AIOZ, we are on a mission to introduce AI-accelerated rendering power to the next gen of metaverse. And their metaverse streaming, as you see here, and this is from the founder and CEO of AIOZ Netvrk, by the way. And you see here, media they're streaming is video times audio times text. Live streaming is media times IoT, and metaverse streaming is media times live times AR, so augmented reality and virtual reality. So we are going to see big things out of their metaverse streaming. Can you imagine a world where your video streaming is basically complete augmented reality? That is what AIOZ is aiming to accomplish with their network, their layer 1 blockchain content delivery network with a new era of internet streaming powered by you. They have their AIOZ tube ready to go. You can try it. It is a video sharing platform locally powered that values viewers and creators from high-quality content to cryptocurrency. Subscription video service allows to stream your shows and movies and paid by coins from the AIOZ wallet. And AIOZ TV will be a live streaming app that turns your real-life events into a business. We're broadcasting your moments for coins. I really like what AIOZ is doing. You take a look at their partners, guys. They're partnered with NVIDIA graphics card company and Qualcomm. I love that. And they're focused on academia, like a lot of research as well to get this thing done. The Imperial College of London, the University of Adelaide, and the University of Liverpool, and their media content partnerships, Omni, Big Cat, Mogul, and everything about this project checks the boxes. The chart checks the boxes on AIOZ Netvrk. We saw it really come down here, really sold off because people just get impatient and things take time to build. You can't expect these layer 1 blockchains with these big ambitions to power the streaming capability of the metaverse. You can't expect them to build something overnight. So it really consolidated for a while, and it's picking up life here recently. And I see this chart really just picking up steam here in the Q4 and in the crypto gaming bull run, where we see metaverse really picking up its narrative once again. Because I think this pump that we've seen right now is nothing. I think the next leg up for crypto gaming is going to be absolutely parabolic. And that is going to do it, guys, for this video. Some projects to keep your eye on. Sidus, the city of NFT Heroes, the IGO very, very soon. So keep your eyes on that. Very bullish project, and I love this project. And you can actually hop in and play their demo right now. And I'm about to actually do that off air, and I might post this video tomorrow morning. If y'all are interested in seeing some Sidus NFT Heroes gameplay, let me know down below in the comment section below. I'd be happy to post some gameplay and exactly what is going on in the Sidus world, and we'll play the demo here and get some content out for tomorrow, because I will be busy tomorrow. So if that's in demand, let me know and I'll post that up in the morning. And MonkeyBall as well. Keep your eye on this IDO very soon. It's probably going to have a lot of hype, so it could sell off when it hits exchanges real quick. Buy those dips. Get your good entries on MonkeyBall. I'm super bullish on this project, and I will be looking to get my hands on this one as well. So let's go ahead and close out the video, guys. Like I said, I might actually hop in here and see what Sidus is all about, and see if we can maybe get some content up on this for the Saturday video. But if you are new to the channel, guys, be sure to drop down and hit that subscribe button. We come out with brand new crypto gaming and altcoin videos here every single day on the channel. Like the video if you enjoyed the video, and if you are as bullish on crypto gaming as me, and leave your comments down below on any project we talked about in this video or your favorite crypto gaming projects. I'll be back tomorrow with another video, guys. Stay bullish, keep hustling. Peace.